Everyone, my name is Sharaf. Today, me and my brother are going to make two simple paper aeroplanes. The first model I am going to make. The second model my brother is going to make. Come, let's start. Okay, let's start. The first step is you can take an A4 paper, color paper or white paper. First, fold the paper in half. Now unfold it and take the top right corner and put it here. Hold it here. And do it with the next side also. Now fold this again like this. Make sure that the edges are sharp. Now fold this top edge to the bottom of the paper. Now you have to fold these edges in the middle. Now flip the paper, then fold it in half. Flip the paper and fold it in half. Now as this side we did, now you can copy that in the other side also. Now open the paper. Now you get like this. Now put the top part to here. Now our body of the aeroplane is complete. See? Now fold the paper in half like this. Now we are going to make the wings of the aeroplane. So fold this edge to this edge. Now flip the paper and do that same with the other side also. Crease it down. Now you can unfold and you can see the beautiful paper aeroplane. It flies so far. You also try this aeroplane. It will be super cool. Now my brother is going to show you how to make another aeroplane. This is the model aeroplane I am going to make. Okay, let's start. First, fold it like this into half. Okay, now unfold it. From here to in the middle, you need to fold it like this. And the another side also. Okay. Now fold it like this. This side, and make sure the top edges should be sharp, and do it in another side also. You have like this move. Fold it like this into half. And let's make the wings of the aeroplane. Fold it like this. other side also. And you have like this. Now keep it like this. See, you have this airplane like this. It can go far, and this is very beautiful and can go very far, and it can so beautiful. Hope this video was helpful to you. Make these beautiful paper airlines. You will be amazed to see what the results are. And please subscribe our channel and like it and share it with your friends and family, and leave a comment in the comment section below. Thank you. Thank you. Bye. Love you all.